My early story began when I was 12 years old. I had been invited to a party at a friend's house. While I was walking back home, it was already dark and the streets felt quieter than usual. I was passing through a dim street when, out of nowhere, I saw a shadow pass by, covering the streetlights and leaving everything in total darkness for a brief but terrifying moment. Honestly, it left me feeling quite worried and confused. It was very strange because the shadow didn't look like a bear or anything familiar at all. It moved in a way that didn't seem natural, almost as if it was gliding rather than flying. For a few seconds, I just stood there, trying to understand what I had just seen and wondering if my eyes were playing tricks on me. Even though I was shaken, I eventually had to keep walking as if nothing had happened. I told myself it was probably nothing, maybe just my imagination reacting to the darkness. Still, the feeling of unease stayed with me. Every step felt heavier, and I felt cold without thinking about the shadow and the weight it blocked up the light. By the time I reached home, was still unsettled. I didn't feel anymore about what happened, but the night remained in my mind. Even now, I can clearly remember the darkness, the silence, and that strange shadow that didn't look like anything I had ever seen before.